Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila. I am Anna Vanila. At the moment I'm enjoying myself, I'm listening to beautiful music and also wearing a Babydoll dress, silk, and this is one of my latest creations. It's Tapestry. It's black, white and red. As you can see, here is heart, love potion with interesting border here. It looks very nice. I haven't finished it yet, but I'm about to put a dowel here and I have to block it, and only then I'll see what I do. I might be putting it for sale on Etsy. If you like things like this, like tapestry like this to have on your wall, please have a look from time to time at my Etsy account, and you can buy things like this from me, because I always tend to do more things than I actually can keep at home. So I always do something handmade, and I overly do it. I do too much of it, and then I don't know where to put them. As you can see, my house is full of disaster. Yeah. So do you like this, Mom?
Of course.
What do you like in here? The heart?
The heart, yeah.
But do you like the border?
Yeah, very interesting.
It's very nice, isn't it?
Yes.
There are a lot of things that I do at the moment, like this. This is a wall hanging piece, and I'll have to hide the knots here. But the rest of it I think is fantastic. I absolutely love this design, this button. I absolutely love it. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing and watching my photographs, watching my channel. I'm really glad for your love and support. So I am totally thankful to you that I have you all supporting me and coming and watching my videos, and thank you so much for absolutely everything, and more to come soon. I'll be doing a lot more pantyhose, a lot more lacy stuff like nylons and underwear, which I love so much. I'm going to make more interesting videos for you to watch, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye.